Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming core prerequisites. Make sure your MacBook and the TV or AirPlay device are on the same Wi-Fi network, and wake both devices. Next, open Control Center or click the AirPlay icon in the menu bar to begin. This is where Mac OS lists available displays. If you don't see AirPlay, go to System Settings, choose Displays, and turn AirPlay on. Once enabled, the device list will populate, and you're ready for the next step. Once done, select the target device from the AirPlay list. You'll see a preview and connection status. Next, choose whether you want screen mirroring, which duplicates your desktop, or use as separate display to extend your workspace, because each mode suits different tasks. Make sure to set the display resolution and scaling under Displays for readable text, and switch audio output to the AirPlay device if you want sound to follow the video. These choices affect performance and clarity. To finish, open the AirPlay menu and choose Turn off AirPlay or disconnect the device. This returns your MacBook to its internal display with no data loss. If you prefer a quick toggle, use the Control Center or press the display icon when available. If mirroring fails, make sure both devices are on the same network, restart the Mac and target device, and install any Mac OS updates. Doing so often clears compatibility glitches and restores a smooth connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.